All right, so this week's tax tip is for my newlyweds or soon to be newlyweds. So if you've already gotten married this year or you plan to get married by the end of the year, this tip is for you. One thing to keep in mind is your marital status as of the end of the year, which is December 31st, will determine how you file your taxes. Okay. So if you get married, even if you get married on December 31st, you are considered married for tax purposes, and you have two filing statuses. It's either married filing joint or married filing separate. It's no more that I'm still head of household because these are my two kids and he don't take care of my kids. That's not how you do that, and it's illegal. You have to either do married filing joint or married filing separate. Okay, but there's a couple of things that I want you to keep in mind that you need to change in order to make your tax filing a smooth process. So the first thing is, when you change your name, you need to make sure the SSA or the Social Security Administration has that name change on file, because what will happen is when you send that tax return through and it does not match, say you put your new name on your tax return but you haven't told them that you've changed your name, it's going to reject it. The second thing you need to do is update your address. If you end up changing, y'all moving together and you have a new address, you need to let the United States Postal Service know. You need to let the IRS know using Form 8822, and you need to let your employer know also that your address changed, so they can make sure your tax forms get sent to the right address. And then the third thing I want you to do is update your W-4, right? Because of the way the withholding works for like a single person versus a married filing joint person, you need to update that W-4, and you're required to do it within 10 days of getting married in order for your payroll things to be processed correctly, so they can withhold the right amount of taxes based on your new marital status. Okay, so that is the tip for the week. If you have any questions, always feel free to send me a DM, and I will talk to you guys next week.